All right, looks like we are recording. Welcome back to my channel, guys. If you don't know me, I'm Christopher. I make internet marketing as simple and as easy as possible for you guys. So, without much ado, let's get to today's content. Today, we're going to be checking on the relevance method, what the relevance method actually is, and how you can use the relevance method to rank your website on Google. All right. But before that, if you are someone who likes content around internet marketing and you want to learn more on internet marketing or start your own business, then make sure you hit the subscribe button and also hit the like button because I've got a ton of content coming your way. All right. So, internet marketing through relevance method. All right. So, what really is the relevance method? So I'm sure, guys, you know it's kind of technical understanding backlinks. It's kind of complicated understanding how you rank your website through keywords and all that sort of stuff. But what the relevance method allows you to do is, even if you're a beginner, even if you're just starting off with your own website, you can start ranking your website on Google through the relevance method. All right. So it's basically bulking up your entire website with so much relevant content that Google is forced to rank you. All right. So, say for example, it's if your website is about software, if your website is about a particular software like ClickFunnels, all right, ClickFunnels is a funnel building software, right? So you just talk about funnel building, talk about sales, you talk about all the stuff that goes around ClickFunnels and funnel building, and you just beef up your website like that, all right? And Google, while it's looking for content, and if you have 50, 60, 70 articles around just funnel building, then Google is forced to rank any one of your articles on top, even if you don't have the relevant keywords attached, even if you don't have enough backlinks. Google will be forced to rank you guys. But when it comes to backlinks, guys, when you have a lot of relevant content, backlinks are also directly proportionate to that. Meaning, if say for example, let me show you in this pad over here. Say for example, you have your own website and you're putting a ton of relevant content, right? And there are other websites that they talk about content that is similar to what your website talks about. So when they are writing their content, they will be forced to link to your website because it has the relevant content needed, right? Not forced, but they would prefer linking their content to your website. Say add a backlink to your website because they also want to indicate to Google that, hey, this is the content that we're writing about, and Google likes that. Google likes when you're linking to other websites which have relevant content, right? So if you have say 50 or 60 articles talking about just funnels, or you have articles just talking about say uh, cats, right? Cats and cat food and sort of stuff. Then a pet website will be forced to link to your particular website, and you will automatically start getting backlinks, right? Backlinks are crucial while deciding. I mean, if Google is going to rank your website or not, it's one of the factors, right? So this is how you can start getting backlinks automatically. So in order to show you guys that, let me open a quick image. So this is one of my friend's websites. He had started it off in late 2018, and you can see here there's not much traction. He's posting. He's posted a ton of content earlier, but then he's left it, and then he started posting a lot more content very frequently. He posted up to 60 articles in a month or two, and you can see, guys, the views just keep increasing further from there. It's not reducing at all. And also the referring domains, once he started putting in a lot more articles, the referring domains also started increasing. So both of these are in the same time frame, right? So there's a lot of other websites coming in and referring to his website for content. So once you get these many referring domains, 300, 400 referring domains, then automatically you will start ranking on Google, guys. And I mean, to begin with, you can start with a minimum of 50 articles in the niche that you want to talk about, you want to rank in. Say, how do you choose what article that you want to write about, or what niche you want to write about? Say, it depends on what you are selling, right? If I take in, uh, let me open a new folder. All right. So if I am going to talk about, yeah, like I showed you. Sorry, guys, having a little difficulty. All right. So if I'm going to talk about ClickFunnels, okay, it's the first time I'm using this. Let me see what's happening. Okay. Yep, finally got the gist of it. All right. So if I'm gonna talk about ClickFunnels, right? And then most of my content needs to be around funnels in general. I want to talk about sales, and you could talk about a lot of stuff, right? So ClickFunnels, the company in general, their integrations. Say for example, I want to talk. I'm selling a health product. Then I can have my website talk a lot about fitness. We can talk a lot about health in general. Yeah, so this is how you choose what topic you guys want to talk around. It really helps. And just keep writing or just creating content, keep creating content around this particular subject, and you will start getting a lot more backlinks. You will start getting a lot more traffic on your page. All right. So I mean, if you have 100 articles, then you can at least expect 1,000 views per day on your website, and that's a pretty good number. If you're referring your website to another affiliate marketing link, say you're referring it to an affiliate marketing link, and you have 1,000 visits going per day, then you can at least have, even if you have a 0.01 percentage conversion ratio, then you can make some pretty good bucks on this. And there are some websites that have close to 2,000 articles in total on their blog site, guys. So it's 2,000 articles, and they get close to 500k views per day. So imagine how many views and how many people are watching their content throughout, and how many links they can link to affiliate websites and just make money through that, right? So it's crazy, guys. You should definitely, if you're starting off with website marketing, online marketing, then you should start writing off blogs and use the relevance method to start ranking your content. All right. And this again, this falls under one of the most crucial parts of SEO, right? So like we discussed about yesterday, SEO you need to start looking at it like a spider web. And so the relevance of your content is one of those spider webs. Then there comes backlinks, then there's other stuff which includes website speed, optimization, and that sort of stuff. All right. So yeah, this is how you use the relevance method to rank your content, guys. In the next session, we'll be going through how to optimize your page for SEO, what all you can add to your page, how you can structure your page for SEO, for better SEO. All right. Okay, so this is more or less it. Thank you so much for watching today's session. Make sure you hit the subscribe button if you like the content over here, and also watch my other videos. I've talked a lot about how you can set up your website. I've just introduced SEO, so make sure you follow my videos as well. All right, that's it for now, guys. Bye bye.